Welcome back. Now you also have your statistics tab. And if you click on that tab, you're going to see all of the traffic that has been moving towards your links. So for example, you'll notice here that no traffic has moved toward the links that we have today. However, if we were to go back and we will look at all of our links over all times, and this is going to be all of our offers, we'll then be able to see all of the visitors that are going to be available. So what we can do is we can look at all of our activity based on time. What we can do within our vendor statistics is we can look at the individual product traffic. So for example, if we were to click this drop down arrow, we'll then be able to see all of the products within a specific funnel and the individual traffic that they may have had access to. Now in this different account, you'll be able to see some of the statistics. Obviously some are going to be grayed out for the sake of this video. But you can see that when you click the drop down menu, what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to look to find out the statistics for all of the products within your individual offer. What you will also be able to see, even though this is going to be overlap with some of the other tabs, is you're going to be able to see all of the statistics for the individual offer by clicking View Offer Statistics. You'll also be able to see what kind of statistics specific affiliates have generated for this specific product. And so what you'll see is you'll see an individual offer. Once again, this has been grayed out. You'll see that this is going to be from the beginning of time to this particular day that you are checking. You'll then be able to see all of the affiliate statistics for this individual product. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.